Today I'm presenting my business intelligence assignment based on the Amazon. In this project, I created a complete data set in Excel and developing interactive dashboard using Tableau. The project mainly focused on employee analysis, company performance, revenue trends, delivery performance, and customer rating. Here I have created a customer dataset containing more than the 2,200 reports and multiple attributes such as employee department, city, salary, revenue, order handling, and the dataset was imported into a table for visualization and dashboard creation. Now I already have created a dashboard. This is the Amazon Employee Analysis Dashboard. The first chart shows the employees by department. From this visualization, we can understand that the warehouse and sales department have the highest employee count. The second chart represents the salary distribution. This histogram helps analysis how employee salaries are distributed across the different ranges. And the next chart shows the employee rating by city. Here we can compare the customer rating across the different cities such as Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, and another chart displays the delivery time versus partner rating. This helps identify how delivery performance impact customer satisfaction. Overall, this dashboard provides insights into employee performance and operational efficiencies. And next, here is the this is the Amazon company performance dashboard. The revenue cities map. The revenue city map visualize the revenue generation across the different cities using the color encoded and labels, and the order of the department charts helps analysis which department handles the maximum number of orders, and the revenue trend graphs shows how revenue changes over the time, and the speed versus order chart helps analysis delivery speed performance. And I also added the interactive filters such as cities and department filters which affect all charts across the dashboard. Calculation fields and storytelling was added in the dashboard. In this project, I created a multiple calculated fields including